Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Instagram account from business to personal. So let's dive right into it. Once you're in your Instagram profile, head over to the hamburger menu, scroll down until you see an option account type and tools, tap on it. And here you can see account type, switch to professional account or add view professional account. As we want to switch it to business account to personal, it is already a personal account, and if it was business, we would go to the professional tools, and it will, if we continue with it, it will let us make our account professional or business account. And if we want to change it to personal again, the drill is the same. Go to hamburger menu and just change your switch your account. Go to account types and tools and switch to professional to personal account. The drill is totally same. So that's for today. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.